Several people were rushed to hospital following crash on Constant Spring Road. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links W 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links W 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links W 7 TV News Report. Seven people were rushed to hospital following a three-vehicle crash at the intersection of Dunrobin and Constant Spring Road on Monday. Reports are that the incident took place at about 10 p.m. Full details as to what caused the crash are not clear, but information reaching Links 007 TV News is that the driver of one of the vehicles in the crash reportedly broke a traffic light. Sources on the scenes reported that the seven people, including a child, were injured in a collision that caused a massive pileup of traffic along the busy thoroughfare. One police officer on the scene said that one of the motor vehicles that was damaged, a Tida motor car, ran off the road and collided into a railing of a gas station close to the intersection. We'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.